See, the oil level sensor is working. There's not a check engine light anywhere, like it's brand spanking new. Look at this. Look at this, you bastards. Yep. All right, now we're draining the oil. It's an 8 millimeter hex. There we go. Break that free. There it is. All right. Not too shabby. The oil filter. There we go. There we go. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and change the oil filter and get that knocked out. And don't be a bitch. There it is. All right. See, these things suck, man. There's red shit everywhere. There we go. That's better. And we got our new O-ring. Get that all lubed. And put this guy on. So, perfecto. Get a little bit more of this old oil here. And get it on there nice. There you go. Now the filter. There we go. And now we can put this bad boy back on. Make sure that everything is clean. And the torque spec is 19 foot-pounds. All right, there we go. This right here is your oil level sensor, and I've gone through and removed the screws off camera. Probably should have done it on camera. But the first two, boom, are straightforward and pretty easy. The last one, we have to come from behind with a 1/4 inch to get to it. But like anybody else, the goal was to see if I could get this out without raising the engine, and you cannot. So what we're going to have to do is come over here to the driver's side and pull out these two engine bolts, engine mounts, the front and the back on the driver's side. And then on the passenger side, we're just going to loosen the two. Loosen the back one right here and the front one that's up in there. And then we're going to go ahead and raise the engine. But we're only going to raise it about 1.5 inches. Very, very slight. And you see here, I could almost get it out, but you can't. It's a tease. Come with the big guy here. All right. That's one down. Two off. And then we'll lower this guy down right about there. All right, guys, then we take off the top motor mount. You should still have the 16 mil short socket from the engine mount, and we're gonna put that on this back side. This is a 12 millimeter triple square. I'm going to put that one on the front side and give it a little twist. There it is. There you go, baby. A T20 to pull this deal off right here. And the rest of all of this can come off fairly easily. Half turns. Oh, there it is. And it just pops right out. And it's pretty loose. This can just get pulled out. And that slides out. Now the back here that we need to loosen is also a 16 mil. And it just feel around till you get it. There it is. And that one you don't have to take out. You just have to loosen. Let's give this engine a little bit of a boost. It's about as much as I want to start with. I don't know what to say. Hey, there it is. Look at this. Look at this, you bastards. You sons of bitches. All right, now we're going to throw the new one in the reverse order. There we go. And just turn this motherfucker around. Sorry if you guys can't see very well. I mean, I can barely see. It didn't go in. There it is. That's fucking in there, dude. Yep, got it. Fucking got it. Nice. Let's try. Actually, I think I got it. All right, now let's put this guy back together. I would just say, in general, just while I'm doing this, if you don't feel comfortable doing any of this stuff, don't do it. You can end up in a shit situation really, really quickly if you don't know what you're doing. This guy's going to be 44 foot-pounds. There we go, 44 foot-pounds. And we just got to tighten this other side. 60 Newton meters or 44 foot-pounds. There it is. Perfect. Now we get to put all this plastic shit back on. And if you're still following along, like I said, the T20 on this guy, just hand tight. Just hand tight. There's no reason to use a ratchet. There's no reason to get it. What's the torque spec? 5 foot-pounds, 3 foot-pounds. I don't think that, just by hand, nice and tight, and that's it. There's no reason to get gangster on that guy. Now, let's go back underneath. So I put the top one in, to hold it in place so that I can arrange it to where I could get this bolt, the side one in. This bottom right one, because it's blocked by the subframe, you don't have to put in with the engine hoisted up. But if you don't, it makes it a little bit more complicated. It's fairly simple to get out with the engine down without the engine being up. It's pretty difficult to get the bolt back in. Getting it out is easy because you can just let gravity fall on the ratchet and either drop it to yourself or slowly bring it out from behind. In this case, this is obviously the easiest one to get to. So I hand tightened that one and gave it an estimation for the torque spec. I might be able to still get, actually I don't think I have a small enough torque wrench to get in there. So it's not going to leak, and I didn't put it on so Gorilla tight that it's going to break the plastic or anything like that. So that should be fine. If it leaks, which I don't think it's going to, I'll put a little bit more tension on it, but it should be fine. You also don't, in case you do have to change this again, you don't want to make that thing so fucking tight that you basically, you're stuck. You can't get it out. So right now we're going to go ahead and torque these two. And if I can, I'll try to torque that one, but I don't think I'll be able to. So that will be done. And then we're going to have to go back in and tighten. Where is it? I don't even know if you can see the bolt right here. We're going to have to tighten this engine mount back. These two also I put back in, but I haven't tightened them down. You need to tighten them down and then torque them to spec, which we will do in a second. Yeah, okay. All right, sweet, clean and new crush washer and everything. Stick it in there. There, nice. This guy. And we'll. There we go. Come on, baby. Come out. There it is.